Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this video we're going to make a smart greenhouse. So what is smart greenhouse? Smart greenhouse is basically a greenhouse, but they add technologies that they want. That's why there's a smart word. Okay, so we're going to use microbit for a greenhouse. Let's just go to the my code and then make new project name smart greenhouse. And so we're going to add some extension. For the first one is ESP866. This one thinks big. Yep, use that one. That looks good. Yeah, go back here and on stop. We're going to add to need for forever. So I just duplicate these things and we add another extension and it's DHT11 underscore DHT22. So DHT11 is a sensor, so this one is DHT11 and this one is DHT22. Maybe it's kind of same, but there's some difference between two of them. Okay, so let's just go here to the ESP826 ThinkSpeak selection and drag this one until initialize ESP826 and for the RX we're going to use the plot 15 and for the TX we're going to use plot 16 and write your Wi-Fi as STI. It's going to write Wi-Fi. It depends on your Wi-Fi and for Wi-Fi password 123. It's also depend on your Wi-Fi and let's go to the things as P826 selection again and I just wait 5 seconds or I can say 500 millisecond and we're going to use if then statement here take no I mean else if then else statement. Go to ESP and Wi-Fi connected. Go to basic and show icon smile so that if the Wi-Fi connected it will smile. After smile, screen will get clear. And but if the Wi-Fi isn't connected, it will join this face, the set face icon, and the screen will clear again. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the next. The DIC11, let's see the biggest one, this one, where is DIC11 because we're going to use DIC11 and yeah, that's all. For the next one is go to USB8266, go to upload that. This is what upload data to things big and go to the ICT11 with humidity because the, the return field and the second field will read the humidity from the greenhouse and the first field will read the temperature of the greenhouse and the third will read soil. So we're going to make a variable called named soil for the field 3 or third field and for the fourth field we're going to use light level so that we can monitor this level of the sunlight. And for forever it's simple. Let's just go to the logic and take the if then else then and yeah we're going to add if then and not an additional if then and let's just go to math square root change into integer. Integer is some kind of data and comes from some kind of data types that there's no it's your voice of decimal. So we're going to add what's that soil here. For integer is 10. So it will get divided into 10 and put it here. Wait a second, that thing's gone. Oh yeah, by the way, before that we're going to use this set soil to put this thing. There you go. And yeah, for here it's really simple. Just go to logic and this equals. We're going to change into less equal less than, and yeah, we're going to add soil So the soil is less than 51, or I could say 50. We'll play a melody at the 500 BPM. The melody is simple like this. And next one is duplicate this thing, put it here, and change it to greater than 50. Then it will stop all sound. Where is that stop all sound? Up here, and duplicate it. Else go where that. So I just duplicate this to make it more faster. For this one, we're going to change it into a light level, so that we also need some light. Change here. So for the sound, we're going to change it into right digital right pin on the plot 3, the third plot, to 1, of course. And over here, and of course we're going to change into 0. Okay, here we go. And also put it here, the light level. Don't forget to change the 1 to light level 2, of course. Here, and 100. Say. Okay, so then it's done right now. We can see that it's really messy. And next one, I just go to the TeamSpeak real quick. And yeah, and also don't forget to register, because you have to register and you must register. Okay, after register, it will look like this. And go to channel. We're going to make new channels. Name it Smart Greenhouse. Description blah blah blah. And we're going to use 4 file fill, because we already added 4 on the previous blocks. Here, that one 4. And blah, blah, blah. So guys, okay, so go save channel. And we're going to make wait. Okay, wait. Go back here. By the way, I forgot to change the name. For the first one is temperature, so that you can check the temperature. It's going to be humidity, and the third one is soil, and the fourth one is light level. Okay, there we go. Let's save channel, and we're going to add a widget that is gauge. So the name is temperature. For this temperature of field 1, the maximum is 30. The unit is Celsius. Tick interval is 5. Of the interval 15. So we're going to add color from 25 to 30. So real quick. We're going to do it real quick. Okay, here we go. 30 and 25. Great. There we go, our cost. And the next one, we're going to add a numeric display for the humidity. Of course, field 2, active interval, string is G slash M rubric. The type integer and create. There we go. After that, go to the API keys and then duplicate this right API keys, and then go to the back to the make code. here go to this blocks from upload data to ThinkSpeak block and write epic key and then pass your epic key right here. There we go. And after that, all you have to do is just plug in these things and also calculate the sensor in our this one. And for to ESP, we're not going to use ESP8266 this one, but maybe it write an 82 I mean ESP8266. We're not going maybe it's write an 8266, but we're going to use the ESP01. We're gonna use this one, but that's okay because it's the same, only a little different. And yeah, that's all for the program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it can be useful for you, and you also can make a smart greenhouse from house. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.